Without further ado, let's get into it. How do you fix your LG TV if it keeps turning on and off? Before we list the solutions, please check the following. Make sure your TV is getting sufficient power. Try changing the wall outlet and see if it makes a difference. Inspect all the cables leading to the TV, they shouldn't be loose or dusty. Disconnect all the external devices, like Xbox or soundbar, see if the TV works better without them. Reset your router and internet connection, put fresh batteries into your remote, check for any pending TV updates. Some of the things from this checklist might have already helped. But if not, here are 3 more steps to follow. Number 1. Soft reset your TV. Simply turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in. This will most likely fix the issue, but if not, there are a few more things for you to try. Number 2. Turn off SimpLink, Eco Mode, Sleep Timer. All these settings should be turned off, especially the first one called SimpLink. SimpLink is LG's name for HDMI SEC. This feature turns on the TV whenever any attached device, such as a PS4, is turned on. A faulty device may inappropriately prompt your TV to turn off and on. Go to the settings menu of your LG TV. Select all settings. Select General from the left menu. Select SimpLink, HDMI SEC. Set SimpLink, HDMI SEC, to off, and confirm. In order to turn off Eco Mode and Sleep Timer, you will need to navigate back to the section called General, and find them there under the corresponding names. Number 3. Factory reset your TV. If nothing has helped so far, let's go ahead and do the factory reset. This will erase all the stored data on your TV. Go to Home. Settings. General menu. Reset to initial settings. To complete the reset, select OK. Your TV will restart automatically. If you have any other questions regarding this topic, we have a lot of useful resources in our blog. You can find the link to it under the video. Thank you so much for watching.